Ano? Savannah?
I remember that place.
Yeah.
I remember that place.
Pag nakikita ko sila na ang self-esteem nila ay tumataas, ay lumulog din ang aking kalooban.
Thank you.
Isang musikerong ginamit po ang kanyang pagmamahal sa sining para matulungan ang taong bayan. Henny Espinosa tells us about this Filipino war veteran who turns to music to make the world a little better. Henny? Yes, Gel George Gange is what you may call a simple man leading a simple life, but his goals are noble for the community. George Gange has played the rondalia for 5 decades and continues to be passionate about it, spending most of his free time playing for free to anyone who may need good music in their lives. This 59-year-old frequents nursing facilities like the Amberwood Gardens in San Jose, California.
Kapag nakakapagpaligaya kami o ako ng mga tao, ibang tao, lalo na yung may karamdaman, pag nakikita ko silang lumalakas, ang self-esteem nila ay tumataas, ay lumuluwag din ang aking kalooban.
Gange is not a musician by trade. He retired from the U.S. Navy and served during the Vietnam War. He also worked with the U.S. Postal Service for 15 years before retiring in 2009. But he is a musician by choice. He founded the Phil-Am Veterans Rondalia in 1998 in an effort to bring together kababayans who dedicated their lives to the U.S. Armed Forces. The group performs at community events and has raised tens of thousands of dollars through their music for worthwhile causes, among them helping the underserved children in the Philippines and the victims of natural calamities back home, such as Typhoon Ondoy.
Napaka-importante ho niya para ipakita na ang mga military personnel ay makatao, makapuso at tumutulong sa ating kapwa.
In 2010, Gange brought his passion for the rondalia to the next level. He created the non-profit organization Pagyamanin Likas Musika, which donates rondalia and other musical instruments to struggling schools and communities in the Philippines.
Para ma-level ang playing field nila at ikaunlad ng kanilang buhay, total magiging uunlad din ang kanilang community at sa bandang huli, uunlad din ang ating bansa.
Besides being busy with his rondalia duties, Gange is a devoted family man. He has been married for close to 40 years and is a father to 2 sons and a grandfather to 4. He is also a commissioner for the San Jose International Airport.
I am not rich materially by any means, but people can, just like what I'm doing, they can also use their time and talent to share with others.
Using music to bring joy to the world and to help those in need, George Gange is a true Filipino champion, Pinoy na may pagmamalaki. Gel, really a good example of being a man for others. Very inspiring. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Henny Espinosa. At mga kapamilya, kung meron po